Next we put another red row, an entire red row. Now here on the lower part, on the same line with these pieces, we will increase with one piece, with one red piece, and then we put two above. Then we put three red pieces here, and now we repeat on the other side. We let free two edges, and then we put 7 normal red pieces like this. And now here we have again 2 empty edges. Now here on the first edge here we put one piece like this. Empty pocket is here, and then we put one and now we put again one in this first edge here, and this will be our wings, and then one above, and we have 8 pieces in this last row. Now on the belly of our bird we put 7 red pieces. Next, here we close the row. We put this edge and this edge in the same piece. Then we put here seven red pieces, and here we close again these two edges in one piece, like this. And here on the lower side we close the row, we put these two edges in one piece like this, and we repeat here like this, and then we put 7 pieces above. In this way. Now here on the upper part, on the wing, we put one piece here in the first edge like this. Then we put 8 normal pieces, and now again in the last edge we put again one piece like this. Now we put 9 red pieces above, And then we close here the row, we put this edge here and this one in one piece. And here we put again 8 red pieces. And now we increase, we close again the row, we put these 2 edges, and now we put these 2 edges in one piece like this. And this is the wing. Now here on the belly we put red pieces. I put 7 red pieces. And then in the next row we put 6 red pieces like this. Now on the upper part we put 9 red pieces. Then we close here, we put this edge and this edge in one piece like this. Now we put again 9 red pieces. Only 8 pieces, sorry. And now we close again these 2 edges in one piece like this. Next, here on the belly we close like this with one piece, these 2 edges, and we let here an edge free. We repeat on the other side again these 2 edges, and then here we put seven red pieces, and now we put 6 pieces above. And again we close the row here. We put these 2 edges in one piece. We repeat on the other side, these 2 edges. Next we put here on the upper part 9 red pieces. And then we put 8 pieces above. Now we close here, we put these 2 edges and we let this one empty. And we repeat on the other side, these 2 edges. no, sorry, these two, and here we let this edge free, and now here we complete with red pieces. And then we put 8 red pieces above. Now here on the lower part, on the belly, we put 7 red pieces. And then we put 6 pieces above. Like this. Next, on the upper side, we put 7 red pieces. And then here we close. We put 1 piece in these 2 edges. And again we have 1 edge free here. We repeat on the other side. 1 piece in these 2 edges. And this one is free. And here we complete with red pieces. 6 red pieces. Now on the belly we let 1 edge free, and then we put these 2 edges in 1 pocket like this, and we repeat on the other side. We let these empty, and these 2 we put 1 piece, and now here we put 5 red pieces. Then we put another 6 pieces above. And then 5. Next, here on the upper side, we put 7 red pieces. Then we put 6 pieces. Now 5. Then 4. And 3. Next we work on the belly, and here we put 4 red pieces. Do not forget to glue. Then next row 3 pieces, and then 2. Next we put some glue here, and we glue the belly with the upper side, glue here, and then for the tail I glue pieces like this in a row. 2 of them are made from 8 pieces, and another one in the middle made by 9 pieces, and this will be the tail of our cardinal bird. It is a very beautiful bird until now. Now we make some legs and a little peak. We start with a peak, and these are small 3D origami pieces, size 1 to 64. You obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. And just a moment. We connect 3 pieces like this, and then we put all these 4 edges in one piece, and don't forget to glue.